About camp. I think it's at 5 camp. Hi, Assalamualaikum. Right, we are now doing our JB trip. Even though it was just a short weekend, and it's just the three of us. So hopefully it'll be a better one because today, this time we got Hazim, yo.
Woo!
Kita got 5 people.
Special appearance.
Kita pakai berapa people lah? Baru kau Kylie.
Apa situ hotel apa?
I think it's KSL Suite lah. Oh. Okay. Okay Zim, hotel okay?
Yes.
Watch.
Wan, cepat pun kau dah ni. Alamak. Nak tengok? Nak tengok?
Apa ni?
Apa problem lah?
Aku tengok picture.
Aku tengah testing.
Okay guys, tingkat 18. View baik. Hot. Aku nampak hot. Apa yang hot tu? Tengok budak tu, macam faham lah. Macam faham dia. Tengok dah pukul berapa ni? Kita kat kafe pula.
Masa sekarang sudah 2.25 tuan-tuan dah open.
Macam dia kat kafe
Memandangkan ni ada permulaan kita pun.
Muka dah nak tidur ni. Doi Chan. Oh, saya Doi Chan. Ini je dia beli. Di kafe beli air putih.
Kata bajet.
We tried the steamboat but at Satay Bakery. Lounge. Sedap tau. Ketam dia, tangan dia macam my palm size. Dah strong. So imagine you take the meat a lot je. $25. No GST.
Okey dah, cukup. We are back here again.
After how many years?
After Hazim in so many years, we are back here. But this time it's with Hazim.
Hazim is complaining that the knife is not sharp. Oh, look at that.
For this trip, he's very particular about everything. You can say the A word. You know.
Kadang-kadang aku sama. Susah nak naik. Nak kahwin pergi club je. Jangan. Nak kahwin feeling club. Nak pergi je. But you won't like it lah. Not nice.
Kita pernah pergi apa?
Yalah.
Rude boy.
Yeah.
Salt Bay. Tu yang face. Kau tahu dah sampai.
Apa? Try boleh?
Dia katanya better.
This one I see you? Yes.
Eh?
Saya
Boleh? Boleh?
boleh.
Dia on ni.
Ya, ya.
Bukanya This one is bigger lah. Ha? Kalau tak juga tip kan?
Lagi mahal kan?
Border sale. Tapi tak ada ice cream lah. Same price with ice cream.
So, mana lagi murah? Say it.
Singapore.
Baik, ya man. Jemput sana. Bismillah. Cik, kuat gila.
Lima bintang.
Restaurant Misra ya. Okay boy. Makcik ni. Okay, last day. Jom kita makan breakfast. Breakfast lah sangat, aku 12.
Siapa bangun lambat?
Oh. Dah boleh jadi Cina. Azim nak kahwin Cina?
Kau empat.
Kahwin 4.